Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So finally, friends, today once again the Cardano idea is ready to the moon, and yeah, absolutely, my friends. Now from the yesterday, I'm just talking about the yesterday changes, the yesterday pump up the Cardano idea. And you know what, my friends, I'm really impressed from the yesterday changes of the Cardano idea. That's why I understand that now Cardano is ready to the moon, and absolutely that is not far that the Cardano is going to hit $2 my friends. Now first of all, if we talk about the currently latest price of the Cardano, I just saw at this time the price is 1.12 USD dollar. You can see here 1.2 USD dollar. That is the now current price of the ADA. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about, especially I'm talking about the yesterday changes, the last 1 day changes of the Cardano. So the last 1 day change is positive 2.77%, my friends. And when I saw this kind of changes occurs in the Cardano, so I understand, my friends, I'm sure that now the Cardano time starts from now, my friends. Let me show you the price chart for more and better understanding, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, I'm talking about this jump, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, when you saw this kind of jump of any coin, not only Cardano, so you understand that now they are ready for the moon, my friends. And absolutely, I'm really impressed from this jump of the Cardano. But unfortunately, you can see here after the pump their price is again falls down. But now in the latest situation, if we talk about the latest changes, so now the latest change is again price start pumping, my friends. And I'm sure I hope that they continue this pump for a long time. Positive 2.77% change is occurring in the last 1 day, my friends. Anyways, just tell me in the comment box how do you feel today about a Cardano idea. In the comment box, tell me, my friends. And make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So get ready for the moon, my friends, and hold for a long time.